give you guys a tour. So here we have a little kitchen, stove, microwave, a big fridge there. All the pots and pans and utensils needed for cooking. A little island here. There is a storeroom back there, not too interesting. Nice little table and chairs, nicely set up. You have your very nice couch. Big TV, I don't know how big that thing is, but it's big. And it comes with Netflix, so I'll be able to watch some movies in the evening. This is the street, and I can actually lean right outside. Alright, let's check out the bathroom. So you have your sink, toilet, just a shower, but it's got a big rainfall shower head there, so that should be nice. The bedroom. So again, 2 more windows facing the street. Very nice, somewhat small bed, but it looks quite comfortable. And then of course a closet. Already hung up some of my shirts, extra blankets, extra pillows. So lots of room here. Everything looks very nice. The windows open up so you can actually get the fresh air. Lots of traffic looks like. So I'm actually just like half a block from a huge park that I was actually at in July. So been there, took some pictures, you might have seen them. I'll definitely be going there and taking more. And yeah, just wanted to give a little bit of an apartment tour. Hey, it's me again. I'm just here across the street from the Center Monument there in my favorite building. I just found this place. There's a museum right across here and an interesting kind of pool. Yeah, with pyramids. So just walking around. Friday afternoon now. Let's see, just 5 to 1. So getting up to 27 degrees again today. And as you can see, lots of people just walking around me. So yeah, that's pretty cool. People line up and get their picture with some giant metal wings. So just on the other side, obviously, from the other, I believe I just shot the other video. So pretty cool places if you just explore through all the different side streets and stuff. There's tons of people here. Like I said, we're right downtown, and yeah, I'll just take some more scenery footage and try and get it all edited for you. Alright, thanks.
Es cambio de micas, un armazón, alguna cambio de mica, reparación.
just thought I'd get that on video. As you can see, there was a whole entire block of jewelry shops, so pretty common here. Showed you the shoe shops and jewelry district apparently. I'm just walking and running so I don't get hit by cars. And yeah, there's a lot of people down here. And this is Friday afternoon, so like about 1:30. And I found myself back at this big, I'm gonna call it a parade square with a market. Everything looks like it's open now, so that's pretty cool. Lots of people, lots of stuff. I think I'm gonna grab some lunch here. And these little street stands and whatnot, super cheap for food. A lot cheaper than the restaurant. And it's good stuff, so I think I'm gonna stop and do that. Let's just give you so many people here, so many things to see. Give you one more look around, and then I'm gonna maybe grab some lunch right here. Okay, cool. Side of the church. First time getting video over here. So as you can see, there's a lot of people. Lots of tourists and lots of locals for sure. Just after 2:30. It's super hot. It's like 27 degrees. Again, same as every day. Apparently this is winter, so but yeah, pretty nice. I'm just gonna walk over here. There's actually some ruins and stuff. I'm going to say this is the original replication behind me with the series of pyramids there. So we're in the heart of Mexico City. Pretty amazing.